In this video, we are going to talk about heterotrophic mode of nutrition. In heterotrophic mode of nutrition, we are going to discuss the host-parasite relationship and insectivorous plants. Do you know what is this heterotrophic mode of nutrition? We already discussed in the earlier class. It is the type of nutrition in which plants, animals or human being which depend on the food produced by other plants. We know that we are depending other plants for our food. We are taking the raw materials of raw materials prepared by other plants as our food. So this type of nutrition is actually known as heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Some plants are also doing heterotrophic mode of nutrition that we are going to discuss here. First, host-parasite relationship. What is this host-parasite relationship? We can discuss by taking one example, that is Cuscuta or Amarbel. What is the peculiarity of this Cuscuta or Amarbel? It does not have chlorophyll. It does not have chlorophyll. It takes ready-made food from another plant on which it is climbing. The plant on which it climbs is called a host plant, and Cuscuta, which will take the nutrients produced by the host plant, is called parasite. It does not have chlorophyll. It will take the ready-made food produced by the host plant. It is actually climbing over the host plant and it will send its root inside the branches of the host plant and it will absorb the nutrients produced by the host plant. Here you can see the Cuscuta twinning over a host plant. This Cuscuta is a yellow tubular structure twinning around the stem and branches of another tree. So what does it do? It is not actually having root attached to the ground. So it cannot absorb water or minerals from the ground. So what does it do? It will send its root deep into the branches of the host plant where it is climbing. And it will absorb the nutrients, water, everything from that plant, host plant. So it will get food without preparing it. Therefore, we call it heterotrophic mode of nutrition. We are able to see this type of plants in our neighboring area also. Have you ever noticed this type of a plant in your surrounding area? You are able to see that. This type of a plant in our surrounding area, which we call in Malayalam Ithikanni. We used to see this type of plants twinning around mango tree, cashew nut plant, etc. What is the harmful effect of this type of plants? If it start growing in that plant, after a few years, that plant or that tree itself get destroyed due to the absorption of nutrients prepared by it by these plants. So if we see this type of a plant growing in the mango tree or jackfruit tree or cashew nut tree, etc., we want to remove it, otherwise that plant will get destroyed. Second one is insectivorous plants. We can call it insect eating plants. Example, pitcher plant. In pitcher plant, it is having a pitcher-like structure which is the modified part of the leaf. The apex of the leaf form the lid. You can see here it is having a lid which can close and open. It acts as the mouth of the picture. Inside the picture, there are hair which are directed downwards. So if an insect catch in that hair, it can direct the insect in downwards or inwards. So it consists of hair inside. When an insect land in the picture, the lid will close and the trapped insect get entangled into the hair. It will get trapped in the hair. The insect is digested by the digestive juices secreted in the picture. Such insect-eating picture plants are called insectivorous plants. Another example is this type of plant. It can also trap insect and digest it for their food. So, insectivorous plants means insect-eating plants. Example, picture plant. In picture plant, a picture-like structure is the modified part of the leaf. The apex of the leaf form a lid which can open and close the mouth of the picture. When the insect lands in the picture, lid closes and the trapped insect get entangled inside the hair present. The insect is digested by the digestive juices secreted inside the picture. These insectivorous plants are growing in soil which do not contain sufficient nitrogen minerals. That means it will not get sufficient nitrogen for their growth. But these picture plants are actually green and it can carry out photosynthesis. But by that photosynthesis, it will not get sufficient amount of nutrients required by it. So they are depending on insects for fulfilling their sufficient nutrients. So, two type of heterotrophic mode of nutrition we discussed: host parasite mode of nutrition and insectivorous plants.